guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. As you can tell, it's a festival themed makeup look. If you like the look of this, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. I'm just going to take this shade right here from the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. This is just going to be the main transition colour, and I'm just going to apply this in the crease. Then mixing these two shades together and then applying them in the crease as well. Just going to take some concealer just to carve out the lid. Just going to use those darker crease shades here again and just outline the cut crease a bit more. Take this shade right here on the first half of the eyelid, and then I'm going to use this shade on the outer corner. Shades in together. I didn't take any extra product, I just blended. I'm going to take this Colourpop Super Shock shadow, and this one's in the shade Frog, and I'm just going to apply that on the inner half of the eye. So that's what the eyes are looking like. Just going to create a wing and kind of follow the eye shape from the cut crease and just use the Revolution Pro liquid liner. Move on to the face now. The face primer, I'm going to take the Kat Von D Lock-It Primer. This is a really good primer. It goes super tacky. It's one of my favourites. I love this. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Illuminating Foundation. And I've got the shade Nude Beige in this one. Concealer, I'm just going to take the same one I used to carve out the cut crease, which is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in Warm Medium. Then to set that all in place, I'm going to take the Beauty Bakerie Flour Powder. I'm just going to finish off the under eyes, so I'm just going to use all the crease shades that I used from this palette. Because it's kind of a festival look, I'm just going to use some white liner. This one is the Revolution Pro one. I'm just going to add some small dots kind of around the eyebrow. Face highlight, I'm going to use the Colourpop highlight, and this is in the shade Here Kitty Kitty. It's a really nice goldy champagne. For bronzer and contour, I'm going to use the Morphe Brontour, and this one's in the shade Celebutante. I'm not going to apply any blush today because I just kind of like the skin to be quite simple. because the eyes are pretty bold and I want to do a kind of bold lip to go with the eyes. Then for lips, I'm going to use the Morphe lip liner in the shade Ginger. It's this kind of dark pink. Lipstick, I'm going to take the Colourpop and Shayla lipstick, and it's in the shade Come On Sis. And that is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this festival tutorial. I will definitely be doing some more, so if you enjoyed this one, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!